So this is water because hydration equals happiness. But yeah.
Yeah, so the dive bar.
I don't want that much.
It's 5 a.m. and we're going on a adventure hike thing. Hopefully I don't pass out because I am physically, prepared.
Pain is weakness leaving the body.
Okay, thank you for that. And then, so we're on this swimming bridge. Dad's really enjoying himself. Are you good? How is the sloth sleeping like this? I'm starting to think that butterflies don't like me.
So they are just gonna use the tail to grab under the leaf. Look at that.
I've got my vegetarian pizza.
Yeah, but you're not gonna get any of them.
That is so good. The crust is my favorite part personally. Some people don't like the crust, and that's okay. But save it for me. I'll eat it. Hi! Hello!
Big red.
So right now, I'm at this waterfall. I just want to say, Mother Nature, you are the grace of everything that is good in the universe. Look how beautiful this is.
That's beautiful.
I mean, look at this. Mother Nature. She is wonderful. It's time to dance. Hi. I feel like I haven't talked a lot. So here I am. I'm in Costa Rica right now. I'm so thankful to be here. The highlight of the whole trip, so I was sitting here just chilling and a monkey came and visited me and we ate Cheez-Its together. I found out later that day that the monkey I was hanging out with actually eats baby sloths, so we're not really on good terms right now. I'm happy to go back home. I want to see my cat. I miss Bibbles so much. My mental health is slowly getting into a position where I'm comfortable. And I know a lot of people aren't in that place. And it's really hard because everyone's situation is so personal to them that it's really hard for anyone else to understand. Like, you don't have to have anything to be sad about. Sometimes people just, I don't know. It's hard to put yourself around people and do things. And it's even harder when people are like, why are you always sad all the time? And I'm like, I can't help it. Sorry. And honestly, I think the biggest accomplishment is being able to put 2 feet on the ground every morning and getting out of bed. That's so huge because I know that some days I don't even do that. And that's okay. There's nothing wrong with having a bad day or having bad days. It's completely normal and you shouldn't feel abnormal. All of our situations are different, so I'm not here to judge. I got you. I'm supposed to be packing, but I am lazy. But I'm about to leave. Sad, but happy. I get to see my cat, Bibbles. I just thought I would say goodbye.